To deposit a check with GO2bank, you can use their mobile app, and the process involves the following steps. Access the GO2bank app. Open the GO2bank mobile app and log into your account. Initiate check deposit. Locate the deposit a check feature within the app. This might be found in the main menu or on the app's home screen. Enter check details. Follow the prompts to input the check amount and other requested information, ensuring the check is properly endorsed. You might need to endorse it with your signature and for mobile deposit only. Capture images of the check. Use the app's camera function to capture images of the front and back of the endorsed check. Ensure the images are clear and include all corners of the check. Verify and submit. Review the check images for accuracy. Confirm the deposit details, such as the deposit amount, and submit the check for processing. Check deposit status. After submission, monitor the app for updates on the check deposit status. It might take some time for the funds to become available in your account, as it depends on the bank's processing times.